Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel. So today's unboxing video, I'm really excited about this deck of cards. It's called the Crystal Ally Cards. I found this beautiful deck at Half Price Books. If you guys know me, that's one of my favorite places to go because you can find some really interesting and even rare decks of cards there. So this lady is actually one that created I think it's called Love is in the Earth with Melody. If anyone's into crystals, you might know Melanie's laying on the crystals. So this is a lady that helped her write her book. So she went and produced her own lovely crystal cards. So here's how big the box is. It's really, really huge. And the reason is because the guidebook is like an actual book. But yeah, that's some of her cards right here. And then there's a picture of her up there. But yeah, on here, literally you have 75 cards and 236-page guidebook. And you also have free downloadables as well off her webpage. So let me show you her guidebook here. So literally, it is super thick and it is long. It's as long as the box, a little bit shorter than the box. But yeah, so it's packed with so much information. For one thing, let me show you. She has literally layouts. That's the cards. Hold on a second. She has a whole chapter of layouts. So you get, here we go. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then anytime you see this little heart with the headphones, that's a downloadable one. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, so she has 10 layouts in this book alone. And that's really, really amazing. And again, anytime you see this little headphone with the heart, that means it's downloadable. So there's a download that goes with it to even help. And then if you go towards the back, she has the cards and all the elements. So she did fire, earth, water, air elements. And she did the crystals to align with that. That's how she did it. But just looking at here, Rose Court, you get a whole page and a half of that. So it's a lot of information. And believe it or not, I think I only paid $29.99 for this. And to me, that's a really good deal. All right, so look at her beautiful crystal cards here. So she's got that gold finish. She has a very cool double pointed, looks like clear quartz. And that's what's on all the back of the cards. And yeah, so there's the thickness of it. And pretty easy to hold. So they're not like crazy too thick. They're just perfect size to be able to hold and whatnot. All right, so let me, again, it's so huge. Let's go ahead and get started with the crystals. So clearly this is what she's using on the guidebook and on the box is this one. So right up here, she gives you like a little message, the meaning, and then down here, she gives you the crystal. And then if you notice the color board changes right here. So this is probably more earth. Pyrites probably considered earth. So I didn't put them in any order because they weren't numbered or anything. And clearly this represents fire because it's fire. So she does have some that are not crystals in here. She'll have the elements. But yeah, it's really amazing. I really like this a lot. And I think I got this, I want to say probably like 6 months ago now. And I personally, I love it. I love the images. I love the crystals that they're putting on there. I'm actually going to try lowering this just so it helps the cards better. I just had to raise it because of how big the box is. And yeah, I'm sorry, I totally forgot to tell you guys. Yeah, the finish on this is pretty high gloss. They slide pretty easily. That's really neat. I was like, whoa, that's just amazing. But yeah, they slide really, really easy. So it's definitely like a high gloss. You can even see it. Yeah. Yeah, for some reason the orange, my phone camera doesn't like picking that up. Whoa. Ha ha ha. Oh, for a minute there, I actually thought that was a snake, but it's not. It's beads, but wow, that to me, I saw snake. Oh. And this one right here is really pretty too. I'm doing a video. All right. Yeah, that one's super gorgeous. Yeah, some of these images, the crystal, it just sucks you in. So yeah, wind, water, fire, earth, air. This is one of my favorite crystals, lapis. All right, and the last one. Ooh, passion, fire agate. All right, guys, that's my unboxing video. As always, please like and share and subscribe to my video. That way you know when I post more videos, and I will be doing unboxing all my tarot and oracle cards, which I have over 150 of them and counting. So I will be doing that. So if there's a oracle or guide or oracle or tarot deck that you want to like see it before you purchase it, in the comment section, just go ahead and give me the name and who's it from, and then I will go ahead and if it's one I have, I'll feature it in my next video for you. And some of the things that will be coming up also on my channeling is I'm going to get into mining and rock collecting, going out there in nature and getting them. It's something I've always enjoyed doing, is collecting rocks where I go. But this one's going to be Pacific, where I'm going to start doing videos. So I will have in my description how to get a hold of me if you're interested in doing a tarot card or oracle reading with me. And also I will put in there my Etsy store where you can find, I have a couple more collector editions tarot cards that I'm selling. So I think I have only 5 left. And then I do one-of-a-kind sun catchers and crystal jewelry. So you definitely want to hop on my Etsy and check that out. All right, guys, everyone have a lovely Monday, and I will see you guys all tomorrow. Bye.